Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Amarnagar. Today's date is 5th October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is super keyword and what is these keywords. So we have discussed about the one by one static keywords and these keywords. So let's start we have discussed about the firstly what is these keywords. So we have discussed about the these keywords. So these keywords, there are various types of keywords are using in Java, static keywords, this keyword, super keyword, final keyword, various types of keywords are using in Java. So so this keyword is a special type of keyword. So it can be used. This keyword, it means it is the reference variables and it refers to the current class objects. So it is the definition of these keywords. So we have using these keywords in Java. So why we use these keywords in Java? Because of without these keywords we cannot. Without these keywords, are various types of problems are facing in Java. Because of we can use these keywords. So why we can use these keywords? So we have discussed about that points. So suppose we have created the class. Your class name is a test, and in that class we have create the instance variable int a is equal to suppose 10 semicolon close, and the next of one we have create the another class. We have create the first of one class a, and we have create the second class b, and class b to extend the class a. It means we can use the inheritance in this keywords by using inheritance concept in that including oops concept. So we can create the class b, and class b extend to class a, and in that class we have create the instance variable int a is equal to 20, and we have create the main methods, public static void main string arguments, and in that main methods we can call the objects to class b. It's class b object is equal to new b, new class b. So it is the call the objects in your class b, and then object dot show methods. In that show methods, suppose we have passed the argument in that show methods. Suppose the pass the values is 30, and its output is provided to the 30. But we can use the this keywords in that scenario. So we can use the this keyword in that scenario. This keyword, which means it is a reference variable and it is refers to the current class objects. It means we can use the suppose we can use the current class object. It means we can use the second sysout statement, and we can use the this keywords. So this dot objects, it means we can pass the argument, we can create the instant variable in class b. It is a 20. So it is the current class objects, refers to current class object by using these keywords, and its output is provided to the 20. It is the use of these keywords. But these keywords we can use this keyword, it is used in Java because of suppose we have created the class a, and we have second create the class b, and in that class a suppose we have passed the value, pass the argument create the instant variable int a is equal to 10, and in that class b it's instant variable to int a is equal to 20. But we can pass the argument int x, and int I is equal to x. So x is a store, x value is stored in the I variables. I name variables. But local variable and instance variable has the same name. So it is not possible to execute that program, because of we can use the in that case scenario we can use the these keywords. So it is the overall about these keywords. So there are various types of uses are using in these keywords. So first of all, these keywords it can be used to refers to current class instance variables, and the next one second use of these keywords. These keywords it can be used to this keyword can be used to it is a current class object. It is the instance variable and to call the methods, and the next use is it is a current class objects, and it's invoked to call the constructor by using these keywords. And next use is this keyword, it is used in to pass an arguments by using the pass an argument and to the call the methods by using these keywords. And next use is the it can be used to pass an argument and to call the constructor by using these keywords. And last use is it can be used to return the instant variable by using the current class. It is current class reference variables. So it is a sixth use of these keywords. So next we have discussed about the super keywords. So what is super keyword? Super keyword, it is a super keyword. It is the same as like these keywords. Super keyword and these keywords are various special types of keywords are using in Java. So super keywords, its definition, actual definition of super keywords. So why to use the super keywords in Java and what is the super keyword in Java? So super keyword is a reference variables and it refers to the immediate parent class objects. It means we can use the parent class objects and child class objects. It is a concept are directly using inheritance concept in OOPS concept in Java. So class extent, it means we can use the inheritance in Java. So static keywords, it is a static keywords. We have take the example about the static keywords. So we have create the class. Class is we have create the class and in class name is a class A, and in that class name is we have create the instance variable int a is equal to 10, and we have create another class name is a B, and in that class B is we can create the instance variable int a is equal to 20. But we can use the same instance variable and same name. We can same instance variable, but we can use the different class. And then next upon we have created the main methods, public static void main method, and then we have called the objects from class B, and class B extend to class A. It means class B extend all the properties from class A, and we can use the inheritance in that scenario. And the next upon we can call the objects B objects is equal to new B, and then objects dot show methods. We can call the show methods, but we can use the super keyword in that methods in that scenario. So we can create the show method, and in that show method we have passed the value is 30, and then we can use the super keywords. Super keywords, it means we can use the super keywords. So we can pass the arguments pass the value is 30, so output is provided to you to 30. But we can use the super keywords in that class A and class B. Suppose super.a, it means its output is provided to 10, because of super keyword is a reference variables and it is referred to the immediate parent class objects. So there are various types of uses are used in super keywords. So first of all, super keyword is used to refers the current class, refers to immediate parent class. And the next use is a super keyword. It can be used to invoke to and to refers to the and to call the methods by using the super keywords. And the next use is a super keyword. It can be used to call the constructor by using super keywords. It is a reference to the reference to the constructor, refers to the instant variable and call to the constructor by using the static keywords. So super keywords. So it is all about the static keywords and these super keywords and these keywords in Java. Thank you so much.